Hello everyone, welcome back to Gauri Ram Kitchen. Today we are going to see a special vlog on how we celebrated Holi. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. For making Poli, we need 1 cup of chana dal and let's soak it for 1 hour. And also take 1 cup of maida and 1 cup of wheat flour. Required amount of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon oil and add water little by little. When you get loose dough, you can apply oil on top of it and cover it with a cloth for 1 hour. Now let's make some arrangements for Holi Puja. Here I have some cow dung plates. We need to arrange the cow dung plates. And in the center of that we need to keep sugarcane leaf. Let's tie the sugarcane leaf to a cylindrical shape and place it in the center of the cow dung plates. We are going to worship this sugarcane leaf as Lord Shiva. In front of this sugarcane leaf, let's put rangoli. After 1 hour of soaking chana dal, let's transfer it to a cooker. Add 1 cup of water, required amount of salt and 2 tablespoon ghee, turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon. Keep 3 whistles and also take same cup of jaggery in which you had measured chana dal. Let's mash the chana dal and jaggery together to make the puran. Let's take some amount of dough and make it to a cup shape. In the middle of dough, let's keep the puran and wrap it tightly. After wrapping, let's roll it as usual, just like chapati. You can see that the puran has spread all over the poli. Only then the poli will taste very nice. Our poli is ready. Let's pray to God now. Our Holi Kadana Puja is about to start. Before that, let's keep few camphor in between the cow dung plates. We celebrated this holy festival with immense pleasure and joy. Wish you also a very happy Holi. We applied colors over each other and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.